In the last video, we kickstarted our DSA journey by setting up Python and VS Code. Now, it's time to move one step ahead. Today, we are going to learn about variables and data types in Python, the building blocks of every single program you'll ever write. This is part of the complete DSA using Python playlist. Access the playlist from description so you don't miss any video. And hey, if you are serious about mastering DSA, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you stay on track. Alright, let's jump right into the video. Variables in a programming language can be considered as containers for storing data values. Similar to the empty jar you might have been using to store many things like salt and sugar. Here, consider empty jar as variable and salt or sugar as the data stored in the variable. Let's see through a quick demonstration how do we store different values in Python variables. To define a variable we simply need just a variable name and we assign values to that variable names. By using print function we can print multiple output at a time separated by comma. Now, let's see some of the rules to define Python variable. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character, it cannot start with a number. A variable name can contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Variable names are case sensitive, means age with small a and age with capital A are two different variables. And last one. A variable name cannot be any of the Python keyword. Python keywords are the set of keywords that are reserved by the Python programming language. These are used while writing Python code and cannot be used as variable or function names. Here, you can see the set of Python keywords. Next, let's move on to different techniques of defining variables using multiple words. First we have is camel case. In camel case, where every first character of a word except the first word is capital. Second we have is Pascal case, where every first character of a word is capital. Third we have is snake case, where each word is separated by underscore. Let's understand all these three techniques for better understanding. This is camel case. This is Pascal case. This is snake case. Next we have the concept of data types. Variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. Every variable has its data types. Below is the list of different data types we have in Python. In this video, we will cover only few of them. Rest data types will be discussed in upcoming videos for better understanding. Since we have already defined 4 different variables, let's print their data types. To print data type of any variable we use type keyword. Now, let's understand some general ways of playing with variables. Multiple variables can be assigned same value in this way. Here, the value of x, y and z is same as Mohan. Similarly, we can also assign different values to different variables in same line this way. Here value of x is Mohan. Value of y is 45 and value of z is Suresh. Now, let's understand how we can do typecasting in Python means changing the value of number to string, integer to float, etc. Note, we cannot change a string to number. In Python, we have one more data type called complex number, which can be defined in this way. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching till the end. In the next video, we will learn operators in Python. Post your query in the comments. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Also access our newly created Discord server from description box. Bye.